I'm Elena, aka Miss Speedy. So in 2 weeks from now, we've got an event coming up and it's called ChallengerFest 9. The event is held April the 12th through the 15th, I believe. It's that weekend. There's 2 days where we're having the races on. So the 2 days are the 13th and the 14th, which is a Friday and a Saturday. So those will be the 2 racing days. The event is held at the Holiday Inn. That is the host hotel, and I believe it's sold out. So there are other hotels that you can check into. Our title sponsor this year is Billet Technology. Some of the other sponsors we've got, let's see, Modern Mopar Form. We've got Hemi Tuner Performance, A2 Speed B&G Performance, the Drive Shaft Shop, SciTech, OST Dyno, Solo Performance, East Coast Moparts, just to name a few of those. So Friday night's the car show. It's a good time. Everybody gets together. They show off all the hard work that they've put into their car. It's awesome. It's really neat to see if it's something you've never seen before. There's tons of families there. Everybody's there just having a good time and hanging out. Food, there's food trucks that will be there. So Friday, races, prices. Spectators, if you do not want to race and you just want to show up and check it out, $10 to get in at the gate. Kids, I believe 12 and under are free, they're welcome. Friday night is the car show. Saturday races again. And then Saturday night is the banquet awards. After that, we're gonna have raffle tickets. We're going to have a lot of stuff that has been donated will be put into an auction, and the money that we get from the auction items is donated to Racing for Vets. So that's huge. We love doing this every year for them. We're all like family now. We come from all over, and this is the one time in the year that we all get together and just have a really good time. So if you're in the area, you've never gone to something like this, stop by, check it out. You'll get to meet Speedy. Stop by and say hi to me. So let's pray and keep our fingers crossed for good weather this year, and hope to see you guys there. There's more information on the website. You can go to challengerfest.net. So I will list all the information and the details below for you. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more future videos, and hope to see you guys there at ChallengerFest. Thanks for watching.